English sounds. Vowels and diphthongs. E, each. I, lift. E, red. A, map. R, far. O, not. Or, for. O, good. U, two. A, cup. Girl. A man. A, late. O, home. I, time. Ow, how. Oi, boy. Ear, here. Air, where. Or, poor. Consonants. P, pop. B, bag. T, time. D, day. K, case. G, good. Ch, cheap. J, job. F, five. V, very. Th, thing. The, there. S, some. Z, zoo. Sh, shop. J, measure. M, meet. N, now. Ng, long. R, red. L, left. H, hot. Y, yet. W, well. English sounds in pairs. Feet, fit. Lift, left. Bed, bad. Pack, park. Farm, form. Court, coat. Late, light. Match, much. Took, talk. Let, late. Here, hair. Bath, birth. No, now. Birth, both. Must, most. Foot, fit. Bath, both. News, noise. View, few. Pack, back. Long, wrong. West, rest. Sue, zoo. Show, so. Shoes, choose. Tie, die. 10, then. Wing, win. The alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.